Yo, the MBR boss ladies, I make the world know say Black Rhino not dead. And when not dead, no dash away. So all the people them will send up them prayers. God, glory to God. Cause me I tell you, no man no mightier than God. And you see when your prayers and your faith in the right place, God is the man who can overcome certain things and make things everything possible. For all of the well wish of them and all of the care news them and all of the bad energy people them Psalms 35. Me no wish bad for nobody but me I go sorry for someone. So at the end of the day, me no business what type of accident is a serious allegation for past death on a man's life. And then not even did it to try strong up a person in a terrible situation. I don't know how much life on a mash up this morning here, how much head. Well, once again, me I keep it positive. Just give thanks to God. Rhino, good.